AI, ML, and deep learning as this series of Russian nesting dolls. Whereas AI is really just replicating some or all of parts of human intelligence. It's the catch-all for everything. It includes robotics, it includes natural language processing, machine vision, it's everything. It's the catch-all. It really means nothing. Because right now, ML is where all the action is. Explain that the definition of ML is an algorithm, a piece of computer software that can adapt over time when you throw large data sets at it. Now, the cat and dog example here really works well, because it's actually only been not so many years since Google was really working on it. We had those breakthroughs to say, imagine throwing 100,000 images of cats, they're all labeled as cats, versus dog, is cat, is dog. That totally resonates. Every single time I've been able to use that analogy, people say, okay, wait a minute, so it's not about actually programming it, it's using these large data sets. But of course, the area where all the fun is within deep learning. If you try to get into definitions like multiple layers of abstraction to build data sets, you lose them. Said, what I've done is talked about neural networks. Most people have heard what a neural net is, right? Like you kind of go, okay, like it's trying to replicate roughly how a human brain works, and I know technically that's not correct, but you kind of paraphrase it and you say, this is how, as we've taken from a data science perspective, to try to replicate some of these ideas, but the deep just means the layers of the model, and understand that this is where all the cool stuff is happening in terms of autonomous driving, where it's going. But then when you wrap it all up, the whole Russian nesting doll example kind of falls apart, because as we all know, this is more like a big Venn diagram, where you have all this overlap, where deep learning is eating ML, ML is eating AI, and I mean, all the breakthroughs in NLP are happening because of deep learning. So you have this overarching where when the media uses it and it's all mixed, that's correct, kind of, but also incorrect. At least from this perspective, they can come out understanding, say, listen, most of what we're going to talk about here is ML, let's go for it.